Hi, I'm Sarah from Strolleria. In this video, we'll compare the Nuna TRVL with the Nuna TRIV lightweight strollers. Both strollers are available now at strolleria.com. If you have questions, leave a comment below or email us at customercare@strolleria.com. Two of Nuna's lightest weight and most compact strollers are the TRIV and TRVL. With an automatic one-motion fold and car seat compatibility without adapters, the TRVL is a no-fuss option perfect for travel and small spaces. The TRIV is smaller and lighter than most full-size strollers, but still has a reversible seat, bassinet option, and large storage basket, making it ideal for city living. The Nuna TRVL and TRIV are both available at strolleria.com. Let's see how the strollers compare. With its extra features like a reversible seat, the Nuna TRIV is priced at $6.99 and costs $2.50 more than the TRVL, which sells for $4.49. Although similar in size when in use, once folded the TRVL is over a foot shorter than the TRIV. Both can be carried when folded, but the TRVL will be easier to carry long distances as it weighs just over 13 pounds, 6 pounds lighter than the 19-pound TRIV. The TRVL and TRIV stroller seats can hold up to 50 pounds. On the TRIV, a wider seat and longer calf support provide even more comfort for a growing child. Both strollers share features like a reclining seat, car seat compatibility, magnetic harness buckle, and a no rethread harness. The TRIV offers more features like a reversible and removable seat, extendable canopy, optional bassinet, and mesh seat back with removable merino wool liner. The TRVL offers a one-handed, one-step fold that's even easier than the TRIV's two-step fold, and can fit Nuna PIPA series car seats without need for an adapter. The TRVL is self-folding and self-standing, making it easy to store when you're loading the car or boarding a plane. Slide the folding button with your thumb while pressing with your fingers, then simply let go of the handlebar, and the stroller automatically handles the rest. Use the bumper bar to lift and carry the stroller and store it in the included bag, which features a shoulder strap and zippered storage pockets. Repeat the folding motion to open the stroller using only one hand. The TRVL may fit in some overhead bins when folded, but check with your airline for requirements. The TRIV has a one-handed, two-step fold for easy transport. First, lock the stroller brake. With the seats attached, press the center button at the seat recline while lifting up on the recline lever. Fold the seat over, then pull up on the leatherette strap to collapse. While the stroller can stand upright with the seat facing either direction, it's easiest with the seat parent facing. Once folded, you can also carry it using the padded strap. Unfold by lifting up on the handlebar, then set the seat upright. When using your TRIV with the bassinet or car seat adapters, fold using the leatherette strap included on each adapter. Both the TRIV and TRVL are compatible with any Nuna PIPA series infant car seat. The TRVL fits the Nuna PIPA without use of an adapter. The car seat snaps into the stroller using the bumper bar, no adapters required. Press the button on the back of the car seat to release it. The TRIV includes a ring adapter to fit a Nuna PIPA, and in a unique feature, the TRIV ring adapter folds with the TRIV frame. Set your Nuna PIPA over the top of the ring adapter to secure, then press the button on the back of the car seat to release it. The TRIV and TRVL fit all years and models of Nuna PIPA car seats, including the PIPA, PIPA RX, and PIPA Lite, Lite R, Lite LX, and Lite RX. Nuna offers two neutral colors for both the TRVL and TRIV, and the TRIV bassinet only comes in caviar black. The TRVL is available in caviar black and hazelwood tan. The TRIV is available in caviar black and frost gray. That's it for our comparison of the Nuna TRVL stroller with the Nuna TRIV stroller. If you need help finding the stroller that's right for you, email us at customercare@strolleria.com or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.